Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your eDrums to your phone. First, gather your essential equipment, including the correct USB cable and an on-the-go adapter. Next, we'll walk through the simple connection process, ensuring your drum module is properly recognized. Finally, I'll show you how to set up your favorite drumming apps and troubleshoot any common issues you might encounter, so you can start playing in no time. To begin, you'll need a USB-B to USB-A cable, typically found with your eDrum module. Then, acquire a USB on-the-go, or OTG, adapter. This small adapter converts the standard USB-A end to either a USB-C or Lightning connector, depending on your phone model. For enhanced audio quality, consider a dedicated audio interface, which often connects via USB and offers superior sound processing. Once you have your gear, connect the square-shaped USB-B end to your drum module and the rectangular USB-A end to your OTG adapter. Now, plug the OTG adapter directly into your phone's charging port. Open your preferred drumming or music application. Within the app settings, select your eDrum module as the audio input device. You should now be ready to play and record your drumming. Many excellent apps are available for drumming, offering features like recording, practice tracks, and virtual kits. If you experience no sound, first check your phone's volume and the app's input settings. Sometimes, simply restarting both your phone and the drum module can resolve minor connection glitches. Ensure your drum module's output volume is also set appropriately for a clear signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.